Hi guys, it's Tiffany. Let's make some cute Halloween coasters today. I've already mixed up my resin. I'm using a fast cure resin because we're going to be doing this in 2 layers. And I'm going to add a little bit of the ultrafine diamond holographic glitter. I don't want to add a lot. I just want to give the first layer a little shimmer. And what we're going to do, yes, you see candy corn sitting here beside me. We are going to make the first layer have a little candy corn in it. And we'll let it cure for a couple of hours. Being a fast cure, be fully cured demold is in as little as 4 hours. So I figure about 2 hours will be good to be able to come back and put the second layer on, which will be our back colors. So there we go. It's not a lot of glitter, it's just a little extra shimmer. We'll pour a little into this one. Pour a little into this one. There we go. Alright. Now we'll just place them in. Okay. Let's see. I want to flip this one over. Nope. Going with this side. I figure 6 ought to be plenty. Shows it off. It's not too much. Just enough to be cute. I'm just taking a look at what each one of them looks like, one side versus the other, picking the side that I think looks most appealing. Trying to make a point of not having them face all the same way. Put this way. So it almost looks like they were just dropped. That's not quite how it was, but close. Alright. Now I'll drizzle a little more on top of each one. I figured Halloween is still a little ways away, but you don't want to wait till the last minute to be trying to do your Halloween crafts. Because honestly, by the time you're getting to Halloween, you need to be already working on your Christmas. And you have Thanksgiving too. So, that way you have it ready fully cured. It's had that extra time to do the longer cure, especially with coasters, because coasters you want to have close to a month, really, for that full heat resistance that it and heat tolerance that the resin has. So, let's see. Make them about the same. I don't want to fill it all the way up because I do want to give enough room where our back coat will be able to be. So I better take just a little bit out of both of them. Yes. All right. There we go. I think that is just right. I'll go around that outer edge, make sure there's no bubbles sitting stuck to it. All right, there we go. We'll come back in a couple hours and add its bottom layer.
Please like and subscribe to the Twitch channel.
Yay, it's time! it is time to see how they came out. All right. Do-do-do. Okay. I'll just do them both at the same time, okay? Oh, they turned out so cute. Look at that. I love it. That will be perfect for Halloween. This mold has a marking on it. I don't know how it got that marking. My husband acquired this mold for me. It was very sweet of him, but it was a used mold. So I don't know if it was something they did, but I mean, it demolds fine. So I just need to put a thin coat over the top of it, and that'll make that disappear. Not a problem. You see the little bit of glitter we have going on? Just a little shimmer glitter. Not too much. Not to the point where it takes away from the look. But that is real candy corn in there. And regarding the candy corn, I did put it into a container of silica gel bead things for about a month because I wanted to make sure that there wasn't moisture in the candy. I mean, we know it's all kind of hard and kind of dried out tasting to start with. Somehow, for some reason, we still love it. I don't know. I do. But I still worried that there might be too much moisture. So I wanted to dry it out as much as I could before putting it in the resin so that hopefully there wouldn't be problems over time. But that's what they came out looking like. I hope you like them. And regarding earlier in the video, I'm sorry. The reason why I simply did bits and pieces where it was in a fast forward motion, but yet I showed it all to you, all the different times I was adding pigment and such. My microphone decided it didn't want to work during that part of the filming. So I wanted to just give you an idea of how much resin, how much pigment I was putting in, showing that I was adding a little bit at a time because I didn't want to put too much pigment in. And you can always add pigment, but if you put too much pigment in, you can't take it back out. So that's why I kind of did it that way, just to give you an idea of how I was getting from point A to point B. Okay? So I hope you like my little coasters, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.